Turn them up this bitch today. You want to show them mad love already. We're going to get this thing popping for y'all. You know what I'm saying? My bad about the technical difficulties and everything. And I sure appreciate all y'all for coming out here showing up. Hey, man, some more shirts back up. Yeah, let's get them. The song's called 86 to Win.
Motherfucking Street Connect DJ.
We smoke weed. I'm not a good role model. Hide your kids.
Gotta get straight to this paper, I ain't got time to wait. Straight to this paper, I ain't got time to wait. Gotta get straight to this paper, I ain't got time to wait. If you ain't talking about Franklin, she ain't got shit to say. Yeah, you know the game. 86 the way. 60 gang, hop up in this thing. I've been sipping and drink, girl, you know I roll a stain. Don't be ashamed, it's okay, you afraid. Girl, I know that you want flame. More class for the bottle line, she fuck with me cause I'm ballin' now. 86 the gang, 86 the way. More class for the bottle line, she fuck with me cause I'm ballin' now. 86 the gang, 86 the way. Gotta get straight to this paper, you ain't got time to wait. Ain't talking about Franklin, you ain't got shit to say. Yeah, you know the game. 86 away. Gotta get straight to this paper, you ain't got time to wait. If you ain't talking about Franklin, you ain't got shit to say. Yeah, you know the game. 86 away. Hey now, getting to the money every day. You say now, everybody always wanna hate now, hey now. She better sell, she'll fuck with you now. She got a thing for all superstars. 86 gang girl cruise now. We flexing on them like, girl, we taking on now. Yeah, she on me like that. So slow, you know we rock now. Fast, no slowing down. Stay high, no coming down. Girl, 86 gang, 86 the way. If it ain't about a check, then I don't give a fuck. Heard they still talking about me, I could give a fuck. Middle finger up to all my haters. This one's for them niggas getting that paper. If it ain't about a check, then I don't give a fuck. Heard they still talking about me, I could give a fuck. Middle finger up to all my haters. This one's for them niggas getting that paper.
Jordy, this motherfucker. Beezy. What up, Vic? What we gonna do to him? 86 the motherfucking world, man. About some money, fuck out my face, got me fucked up.
I'm smoking out something so potent, the patch is so loud I had to come and double seal. Heard you got the vibes to act right. I don't want it, but the shit ain't double seal. I'ma turn up for a check. 86 gang, nigga, that's my set. I don't give a fuck who you is, give a fuck who you with, nigga. Tell me that's my clique. Woo! I might just pull up right on him and flex. Hasn't been a thought, leave a mess on the chest. I'ma pull forward, take it straight to the head. I ain't feeding no birds, but you know I got bread like. Who the fuck said Jordy fell off? Me and my nigga get high like a lot. The bitches, they sending me videos clapping. So with my circle, you know we ain't lacking. Bitches be looking cause they see me starting. Orgasm money cause it's always coming. Laughing these niggas, I ain't even running. I know if they hate me, but I find it funny. Labels wanna send me now. I'm like, where that check though? Say she wanna fuck me, baby, I just want a neck though.
I don't give a fuck. Heard they still talk about me, I could give a fuck. Middle finger up to all my haters. This one's for them niggas getting that paper. If it ain't about a check, then I don't give a fuck. Heard they still talk about me, I could give a fuck. Middle finger up to all my haters. This was for them niggas getting that paper.
How's it have to be like that? Street Connect, 86 gang every day. We're out of Orlando Classic, man, with the family. It's all good. 86 gang, let's get Jordy. 86 the way you be out now. man. We out Orlando last weekend. It's all love. How we doing?
What up, yo? It's your homie D Royale. Shout out to the homie the KiDJordy turning up tonight at the Ryan Big Car Show. Y'all better check out for his music, guys. I'm rocking with it. What up?
Gotta get straight to this paper, ain't got time